Hey guys, so the first thing that really calms me down is either a nice cup of coffee or a nice cup of tea. I am usually a tea person, so I prefer tea over coffee, but I'm okay with both. This is something that really relaxes me when I'm looking for some time out, for some space, and maybe for some time alone with my own self. The second thing that really helps me calm down is journaling my thoughts. I've had this habit ever since I was little. I was very young when I started writing and journaling my thoughts. And I've realized over the years that it has provided me the kind of calm and peace because expressing myself on paper helps me vent out whatever emotions are piling up inside, good or bad. I usually try to write mostly positive thoughts because they keep me going, they keep me happy. And another thing that has really helped me is that whenever I'm feeling low or whenever I'm feeling down, I can always go back to these journals and read whatever I've written, and then these positive thoughts really uplift my mood and they make me happy. They also make me realize that there were good times when I wrote such thoughts, and they only encourage me to live a positive and hopeful life because in the end we all are hopeful. It is inherent in humans, and I really enjoy this process of journaling. Sometimes I write quotes, sometimes I write poems, sometimes I just write whatever random emotions are coming my way. So, guys, the next thing that I have started doing is deep breathing exercises and yoga. I did yoga earlier as well, but then I keep on switching between aerobics, yoga, dance. I'm also a trained Kathak dancer, so sometimes I do that. But currently, what's keeping me going is deep breathing exercises and some light yoga. I watch random YouTube videos for such exercising. So I do pranayam. It helps me focus better, and it instantly calms down my body. I feel relaxed. I feel at peace. I feel balanced. And I do it early in the morning. I wake up early to do yoga because it activates me better, and then my day goes in a much more focused and calm way. I also do some stretching, hand, neck, legs. This is just a little part of what I do, a little clip. I usually do about 25 minutes to 30 minutes of yoga every day. Guys, the next thing that really helps me calm down is listening to some good music. I am currently listening to Pratik Kuhar, as you can see on my phone. Sometimes I do read a book along with it, sometimes not. This activity just instantly relaxes my mind. I keep my thoughts away from any work, from any stress. Right now, I'm just listening to music, enjoying my book, and this is one book that I absolutely love. If you haven't read 40 Rules of Love, you should. It's a beautiful book, very romantic, and a very deep book. So you guys should do it. And I absolutely love listening to Pratik Kuhar because his music is very calming. I love the music. And do let me know if you like listening to Pratik Kuhar too. So Guys, the next thing that I really enjoy doing is cooking. Personally, I enjoy cooking more than baking, and right now I'm putting in mushrooms in this container, and I was making burritos. So, yeah, this is something that I really enjoy. I love trying new dishes. Uh, I, it wouldn't be wrong to say that cooking is actually therapy for me. It relaxes me, it makes me happy, and in the end, if everyone likes the food, I'm double happy. So, yeah, if you're someone who hasn't yet explored this side of yours, then go ahead and try cooking something. Maybe start out with easy dishes, and believe me, you will really enjoy this process. I am also someone who enjoys nice ambience around myself. So I have these fairy lights that I've put up in areas that I spend most of my time in. So this is my workspace, and I also have a workspace video just showing this space. And I spend 90% of my day here working or relaxing, or even if I'm listening to music or doing my yoga, I'm in this space. So I really like the way I've created it. I have a lot of yellow lights around. They calm me down, they make me happy, they give me a nice ambience. Sometimes I just sit here in this ambience and reflect on life, think, or maybe just not think anything, just like be and not do anything. I know it's one of the toughest things, and yet it is important to sometimes just not think about anything and feel empty from within. So, the next activity that really calms me down has to be reading. You all know that I am a writer and I cannot do without reading. Reading calms me, it helps me gain knowledge, it widens my horizon, um, it makes me learn a lot of new things, and it distracts my mind of any sort of stress or problems in life. So, this is one activity that has to be one of my favorites, and in this, I'm reading Jane Eyre. I cannot stress enough how important it is to stay connected to people you love and people who love you. Here, I'm actually talking to my mom. She's currently in Dehradun, and I love talking to her, and this also makes me feel loved and special. This has to be one of my favorite activities. Here is Neo. Neo is my pet. He's 10 years old. I absolutely love him. And whenever I feel stressed or whenever I feel low and I need to calm myself, I play with Neo and I just talk to him. Here, I'm trying to say certain things that he likes and certain that he doesn't. And he barked at me because I said that we are going to take him to a doctor, and it angered him. So he barked, and he lies down like this when he wants tummy rubs. So I was not giving him knowingly, and he kept on looking at me. So Neo is very special, and he's a sweetheart, and he really calms me down. He's my best buddy. Guys, this is the last activity that really helps me feel at peace. Praying is something that I was taught since my childhood. I always used to pray, And there was a time I lost touch with it, but then I got back to it, and it has been long now. And praying really calms me down. And the times that we are living in, I constantly pray to God that everyone is safe, no people are hurt, and just Corona goes away as soon as possible and things get better. And I just send you all strength and courage and lots of love. It really helps me calm down. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope my life and what are the things that I do to calm myself down during such difficult times helped you in some way or the other. Please let me know in the comment section if you do any of these things, or if you do anything differently that can be of help to others, and it makes it a little easier for people to pass this time and make peace with this time, because staying in our homes, our physical health, our mental health suffers a lot, and we should try our level best to keep ourselves happy, positive, and sane. It is tough in the times that we are living in, but we still have to go. We still have to be hopeful. We still have to live. This is what I do, and I would love to know what you guys do. Please stay home, please take care of yourselves, and please wear your masks whenever leaving out. Stay safe, stay home, and don't forget to take care of your loved ones as well.